But honestly, who could be more honest? Welcome to The Honest Goddess, and today I will be showing you guys how I made my flaxseed gel. So some benefits of flaxseed gel for your hair include that it's rich in vitamin E, which promotes a healthy scalp and hair growth. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which keeps the hair nourished and prevents drying, and it also reduces brittleness and increases elasticity. So here are the items that I used to make the flaxseed gel. So we have our saucepan, measuring cups, stockings, gloves, and of course the flaxseed. And these are whole flax seeds. And I got these from Metro, which is a local grocery store. So the only thing that's missing from this picture is the water. Okay, so to start, we are going to add our water to the saucepan. And the maximum hold of this measuring cup was actually 500 milliliters, but I used a little extra. So I want to say I used around 600 to 700 milliliters of water. My stove has the highest level of 10, so I put it on 10, the highest heat. And then we added a 1/4 cup of flax seeds into the water, and we're just going to stir the flax seeds to the bottom of the pot. So you see some of them are floating. You want to get as much flax seeds submerged in the water as you can. So after about 3 to 5 minutes, the pot will start bubbling. So we just want to stir the pots and ensure that none of the flax seeds are stuck to the bottom of the pot. And just to ensure that all the flax seeds are once more submerged in the water. I also turned the heat down to 6, so pretty much almost medium heat, just a little bit over medium heat, so it wouldn't boil over. I made it boil for another 5 minutes, and as you can see, the gel is starting to stick to the sides of the pot. But it's still very liquid, as you can see. So we're just gonna stir it once more and make sure that none of the flax seeds are stuck to the bottom of the pot. Okay, so we see a little gel, but that's still not where we want it to be. After another 10 minutes of boiling, we stir it again, and you can start to see that the sides are definitely starting to cake up, which is a good indicator that we're almost at the end. So we're just gonna stir, 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 and make sure that there's no flax seeds at the bottom. Okay, so this is actually how you know you have a good consistency. It's not too watery and it's not too thick, but you can see some bounce back in the liquid. Okay, you can see that gooiness. That is exactly what we're looking for. And that was an indicator to me that I am done. So take the pot off the heat, and we're just gonna let it sit there. You don't want it to dry out if it's still on the heat, so you just want to take it off and leave it there to cool for about 45 minutes. Okay, so after the 45 minutes have passed, this is what your pot is looking like.
Look at that. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, I can't wait to get this in my hair.
Once it has fully cooled, we are just going to take the measuring cup. We are going to put the stocking over the rim of the measuring cup. Alright, we're then going to pour the contents of the pot inside the stocking. Once everything's in, I'm going to put on my gloves and we are going to start the extraction of the gel. And honestly, all you have to do is squeeze. However, squeeze with some sense because it can get messy. The rim of the measuring cup is not big and the gel is going to go everywhere if you just squeeze. So just squeeze gently. So when you can squeeze no more, just throw out the stocking with the seeds and here's your gel. Ooh. Look at that gooiness. Looks like the goo that kids make. Ooh. That is so satisfying. And the reason why I strained it in the measuring cup was because I knew I was going to put it in a smaller bottle, so I just wanted it to be easy to pour. As you can see, I'm just funneling the gel into this applicator bottle for easy access when I'm using it. So putting this flaxseed to the test. This is freshly washed hair and the only thing that I put in it was Aussie leave-in conditioner spray. That's it. That's all that's in it right now. Look at that goo. So this is me applying the gel. It is so gooey. It kind of reminds me of applying aloe vera in my hair. Look at that texture. Look at that. So gooey. And here is my hair fully coated in the gel. So it's definitely shiny. It was definitely moisturized. Yeah, I'd say that it's an 8 out of 10 because some spots weren't as defined for me, but it was still a very good definition. So this is what my hair looked like once it was fully dried and picked. Look at that definition. But yeah, here I was showing you guys how it was a little scrunchy. It was a little hard because I think the only thing I'd do different is I'd add oil at the end, which I usually do, but it felt so moisturized when it was wet, but it didn't dry as moisturized. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.